If you click on this video, so there is no doubt even you also want to know more about this man, because he is not an ordinary man. He is the revolutionary man in this planet. Yes, my dear friend, there was a time his classmate bullied him. Nobody liked him because of his unusual behavior. Now a time world has been changed because of only these type of people who have an unusual behavior. Now I will tell you two things you should have to learn from the Elon Musk. Point number one, be obsession. According to me, Elon Musk's another name should be obsession. Nobody is better than him at the level of obsession. Yes, my dear friend. Elon Musk is totally different person. He never ever worked for money. He only worked for his passion and purpose. He founded so many companies and become millionaire at the early age. If normal person become millionaire at the early age, he just wasting his money to go to the club, watching movies and all the lavish comfort. But Elon is not like that. He just follow his passion and created a company like Tesla and SpaceX and many more companies because he wanted to revolutionary changes in the entire world. There are so many companies producing car, but nobody is thinking about the environment, how much the petrol is hazardous for our environment. But Elon must think about this crucial problem and he founded Tesla. This car is run by electricity, totally environment friendly. Now you can see the success rate of Tesla. The stock price of Tesla is increasing day by day. He can also make a car that run by petrol, but never. He think about our nature. And this is the identity of the real entrepreneur who thinks about our nature. So if your purpose is clear, nobody will stop to accomplish the goal. Point number two, don't quit. Never give up. You might be heard this line from the lots of motivational speaker. Now people has been bored about hear this line again and again. But do you know about it? What is the significance of this line? It's a highly weighted and it totally suits the personality of the Elon Musk. There was a time he founded a SpaceX company. During the first launch of the rocket, it has been crashed at their launching pad. It was very disappointed time for the Elon Musk. He had been in very big loss, but despite of this, he launched second rocket. But unfortunately, this time rocket was gone to the space, but it didn't reach to the orbit. After facing the second rocket failure, Elon Musk ready for the third launching. Even in this time, rocket had been off-roaded to the space. He attempted three times, but success didn't get in. During in that time, the company had suffered massive loss. Even his company was verged at the bankrupt. Despite of being the facing so many failures, do you know what was the reaction in that time of the Elon Musk? He said, "I will try once again." One of the crazy announcement. Everybody thinking that time this man has been insane. Even the many investor denied him to investing because company already three times failure, so nobody has dared to invest in. But Elon Musk is Elon Musk. In that time he sold his house and car and living in the normal rent house and taking of debt in a very high risk. He had been ready for the fourth launch at the full of risk, totally high risk. But in this time not only rocket launching get successful, but also he got $1.5 billion project from the NASA. So my dear friend, we have an important learning lesson from the Elon Musk. He failed three times, but he didn't give up. So why we all are give up at a very small problem? Our problem can't be much bigger than Elon Musk. He had put his house, car, all at stake with full risk. If he can take a massive action, so at least we can also take a little bit action for enhancing the career. So what are you waiting for? Go and take a risk without any hesitation. Hope you like this video. If yes, give a big thumbs up. Always curious for learning.